Familiarize yourself with the 2013 Mercedes-Benz SL Class. This two-door, two-passenger convertible stands out among competitors in its class. Mercedes-Benz made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, a power convertible roof, and seat memory. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, a 10-gigabyte hard drive, and 14 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Mercedes-Benz ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as integrated rollover protection, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.